He looks forward to it. He's always asked me, when do I get to see Emma again? When do I get to go play at the gym? And he says play at the gym. This doesn't feel like work to him, and he really enjoys it. And I'm thankful because it's a lot easier to meet the goals and what they have in mind for you and your child if they enjoy it. He doesn't look at it as being at a doctor's appointment. It's just so much fun. And he does feel like he's on something like American Ninja Warrior or something, and those things are fun for kids, and they don't even realize the work they're putting in. Ted was diagnosed with Ehlers-Danlos, which is a connective tissue disorder, so it makes him hyperflexible and he's prone to injuries and subluxations. And then secondarily, he was diagnosed with a sensory processing disorder. I think it's given him more confidence. I've just watched him progress. His strength has just increased, and that makes him feel more comfortable too. And when he would feel those ways in his body, it would make him very frustrated as well. Now that he gets it, he knows, then he can verbalize it to us. Then we have a tool in our basket that she's given us to remind him of, and eventually, upon doing that, he'll be able to reach in that tool basket himself and do those things. And that's so important to us. Emma knows her job, and she is able to articulate it, explain it to others in a way that makes perfect sense, not just to the parents, but then she, goes on the level of the children and helps explain it. It's just, I've just never really had an understanding the way that she explains everything and why it is that way for our son. And he's able to explain it to others. Like they'll ask, why are you going there? And he can tell them exactly what's going on, which has given him a voice too, and it's been important for him. So it's a really unique experience. And I feel really blessed that when they moved here, they built this. I was shocked when we walked in. It's just been growth, and it's up and coming. I just thought it was incredible, and it's just been neat to watch how Ted has grown from having this, available at his fingertips. Has been great.